Hello everybody, thank you for stopping on my channel, and in today's video I would like to demonstrate and showcase the PowerShell project that I have started recently. So PowerShell profile for developers, and our goal will be to save the time of developer and provide some useful and powerful aliases to developers. So just like so far we have add aliases added to this like C PWD and FES, FEA, Gitfosh, etc. We will come to that later. But the goal of this project is to provide a static point for developer to customize their PowerShell profiles. If you are not using PowerShell profile and you are a developer, then I think you should use to um, automate some of the stuff and create aliases, and that will help you save a ton of time. So let's get started with the installation of this. So here I have provided documentation. We can install it via Git, or we can just download it. And first thing first, as we have to clone the repo or download it. So let's say I want to clone it, and I'm going to go to /yt directory, and I'm going to clone that. I just have to copy and paste this command right here, and it's gonna clone that profile, PowerShell profile for developers. And after that, we have to open the $profile, which is the path to the PowerShell profile in PowerShell. So you must have to open the PowerShell or terminal. In this case, I'm opening. So now if I type notepad for profile, and I can echo the profile as well, or I just have to type it, and you can see that it's the path to the PowerShell profile script. So you can see, and all we have to do is to open that off in notepad, or you can use any other code editor you want, but for simplicity we are going to open that in here. And now what we have to do is we have to you can see here, we have to put the path to that script. So as we know, this script is right here. So if I ls, or let's go to that directory, PowerShell dev profile, and if I do pwd here, this is the path. So I have to provide this path right here dot. Oh, so I'm going to copy that, paste that right here, and I can confirm that from here as well. If I ls that, you can see it does exist at this path. So that is all we have to do in order to configure this, and I just have to save that and close that. And the next step is to save and close that and open another PowerShell session. So I'm going to open another PowerShell session and close the previous one, and that's all you have to do in order to configure this PowerShell profile, PowerShell profile for developers in your system. So now we can try the uh, aliases that we have. We have functions, we have aliases. So we can either call a function or use aliases, but aliases are like commands that we regularly use in PowerShell. So let's give it a try to cpwd, and we have given the description here. I will demonstrate them one by one in videos, short videos as well. So the cpwd is going to copy the current working directory path. So currently I am at user /Tauseed Zaman, and if I type cpwd, now if I do control V, it's going to paste the current directory path, and it's copied by this command that we have. So you can also view the code. If you want to see how it works, you can view the source code from here, and we are going to demonstrate the other commands in the next videos. So thank you for watching. And also so far we have added commands added to this project, add aliases we have added so far. So I invite you, all of you, to suggest some aliases or commands that you do repeatedly and you think that can be automated. We can add them into this project. So you can add them either here on the discussions, or you can comment on this video as well. So we will definitely check it out, and we will, I or someone else, since it's an open source project, so everyone can fork it and have their own contribution to this project. So thank you for watching, and happy coding.